Hello friends, Parikshit sir is with us.
Hello.
There is one question which is coming from professionals regarding updated return. Can you please put some light on that topic so that we can understand and apply it?
Sure. Updated return is a provision which has been recently recently amended in the law since last 2-3 years. So in which 139 has been amended to place the insert the updated return provision, which is correspondingly under 263 subsection 6 of New Income Tax Act 2023. Now, updated return is, in short, if I will say in a layman's language, it is a voluntary disclosure scheme, but it has been legally framed in the provisions of the law. Update means what? You have to update your income and not the losses. Very simple. So it is just you have to disclose what is not disclosed in the earlier previous return is simple version. So it is like voluntary disclosure. Now why I am saying voluntary disclosure? Because similarly, if that undisclosed income which is updated in the updated return, then it has been kept with some penalized tax. Very nice word they have used in the law, that is additional income tax. Now in the new provision, section 267 of the new act, they have made 4 different slabs according to the timeline when you update the return. So if it is up to 12 months, then 25%, 12 to 24 it is 50%, then 60% and 70%. This is of the basic tax and interest amount. So whatever the income tax is arising on that additional updated income plus interest will be considered together to calculate this additional income tax, which will be like a penalty you are paying for disclosure of undisclosure. This is nothing but your updated return. The timeline which I have said is about 48 months from the year of assessment. That is the year in which the tax, the income has been updated. From that you have to count 48 months. So in short, the government want to encourage people to declare their undisclosed income through the updated return instead of going through the assessment of 147 in the old law, that is escapement. So instead of that, you can voluntarily disclose and pay the additional tax on that income. Again, I will just insist on the one part, that is, it is updating about income and not updating the losses. So you cannot update the loss and reduce the tax liability or increase the refund. So you have to only pay the liability, that is your updated return.
Thank you sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.